Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best furnace filter that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Aerostar Pleated Air Filter. This pleated filter set is on the higher end when it comes to its MERV rating. At 13, it can block out particulates that are between 1.0 to 3.0 microns. Smog, mold, pollen, mites, and pet dander are no match for this 6-pack from Aerostar. They're highly protective and simple to install, making it a seamless process for keeping the air quality in a home as clean as possible. While they're great for combating many pollutants, dozens of shoppers lauded them for their ability to relieve allergies triggered by pet dander and fur. I suffer from allergies and have multiple animals, developed them years later, so when I leave the sanctuary, my bedroom, which is a no-pet zone, I usually get bombarded with nasal allergens, explained one reviewer, who continued to describe that their only aid prior to these filters was antihistamines which they had to take daily to cope. I am no longer bombarded with nasal allergens, they wrote. Moving on at number 4, we have the Castle One-Year HVAC Furnace Filter. Most professionals would not recommend going an entire year before changing out furnace filters, no matter how long the box states. But to help stretch the time between switching filters, if monthly disposable replacements are getting tiring, this set of filters is a good bet. Castle's one-year filters trap contaminants, pollutants, and allergens thanks to their unique design. It's made of open-celled foam that has a sticky center to grab a hold of everything people wouldn't want floating around in their environment at home. While it can save buyers money and time, many reviewers were able to clean and vacuum these filters to get a longer life out of them, too. These MERV 8 filters are the best made, began one shopper. Since purchasing mine, I have also replaced my father's filter with the same. He has severe COPD and emphysema and has reported a noticeable increase in air quality. At number 3, we have the FilterBuy Pleated HVAC AC Furnace Filters. Most residential spaces do best with filters that sit somewhere between 7 and 12 on the MERV scale, and this air filter from FilterBuy stands at an 8. The electrostatically charged pleats help it trap a wide range of pollutants, from mold spores and pet dander to dust and lint. The filters are also made with recyclable parts, helping lessen the impact on the environment. The frames holding the 0.75-inch thick air filters together can resist up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit of heat, which surpasses the ability of cardboard versions. I had been buying cheaper filters from our local dollar store and going from them to these, the difference is phenomenal, explained a reviewer. I wasn't saving any money because I was lucky if they held up a full month. I notice a difference in the air quality throughout my home, and they do well at not recirculating any type of odors as well. At number 2, we have the Filtrete Furnace Air Filter. As far as MERV ratings go, 12 is pretty high up there and almost crosses the threshold of what could be considered a hospital-grade filter. These air filters from Filtrete are built to last for up to 90 days and catch a variety of airborne particles, including those as small as sneeze droplets. While one may think that the highest possible MERV rating is the way to go, that can place a lot of pressure on an HVAC system if that type of filtration isn't essential. So it's best to determine what level of protection is really needed before opting for something higher. These are even available in a smart filter pack, $43 was $50 Amazon, that allows users to connect with an app to check the status of the filters and see when they need cleaning or replacing. The filter has made a positive difference for everyone in our home, wrote one buyer. The other day, after our day was ending, we both had noticed how nice it was to be able to enjoy our dinners without the sounds of runny noses being sucked up, or blown out into tissues, cloth napkins, or the closest piece of clothing that someone can find. And finally, at number 1, we have the FilterBuy Pleated HVAC AC Furnace Filters. Wildfires are a major threat, and even if they're not too close to the smoke, can cause serious health concerns for households. While these high-efficiency filters have a MERV 13 rating and can combat a wide variety of small particles, a handful of buyers really appreciated them for their smoke-blocking powers. Others noted that damp, moldy basements and pet dander-laden homes were instantly more livable once these filters were installed. Though it's a furnace air filter first and foremost, many configured it to work as an air filter when strapped to a box fan, which was useful during summer wildfires in many parts of the country. The horrible air quality from the surrounding forest fires in the Pacific Northwest has been trying, wrote a shopper. The smoke particles are very small and hard on filters and the human body. But I taped one of these MERV 13 filters to the back of a box fan I already had and it cleared the air fabulously. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.